My dear participant and friends, you know COVID-19 is very serious virus and it may take your lives anytime. So take care of your health and you are far from another person, minimum 3 feet, and you must cover a mask with your face when you go out from the home. Today, return back to a little lessons. I am discuss about the pronouns. Let us learn more about personal pronouns. Pronouns have 3 forms, namely subject, object, and possessive. Look at the table below and see different forms of pronouns. Okay, my dear participants, subject form. I change into object form me and possessive form my, mine. Subject from we, object from us, possessive from our, ours. Subject from you, objective from you, possessive from your, yours. Subject from they, object from them, possessive from their or theirs. Subject from he, object from him, possessive from his. Subject from she, object from her, possessive from her, hers. Subject from it, object from it, possessive from its. Now, using of pronouns. You read the English language, you notice a lot of pronoun is used in English language. Now, I give you some example here. I tell them a story. I is subject and it is pronoun, and them object. It is also pronoun. The story is mine. This is possessive form of pronoun. Your father sent me it. Your is possessive pronoun, and me is objective pronoun. It is also objective pronoun here. Its story is very interesting. It is possessive pronoun. Ours have one of them. Ours is possessive pronoun, and them also a possessive pronoun. Thank you, my dear students.